So we got a new piece in from MJK Performance. As you know, I was super happy with the other parts that I put on the bike. So naturally, I needed some more. And don't forget, my bike is gonna be at Destination Daytona, specifically at the Trask Performance booth on Saturday, March 5th and Sunday, March 6th of 2022. So come by the Trask Performance booth and check out my bike. But anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Go ahead and roll the intro. Alrighty, unboxing time. Ooh, what do we got here? Some installation instructions, and then more foam, more styrofoamies. Oh my gosh, it's going everywhere. It's going everywhere. Oh, very nice, very nice.
They're nice.
Now, for those of you who don't know, these are MJK Performance shock reservoir mounts. So yes, we are gonna be changing the current location of where the shock reservoir mounts live. All right, so this is basically what you're getting in this kit. You're getting your 2 brackets and you're getting your 4 mounting bolts. Now, just to show you the quality on these things, I mean, the finish is just so nice, and the anodizing is just so nice. Very impressive. I was already impressed with the quality of the parts, but at this price point, this is definitely a company that it is like one of those you get what you pay for kind of things. That is MJK Performance. Anyways, let's go ahead and get these on the bike. First, we need to get these old brackets off, and then obviously we need to take off the bags in order to do that. This way we can mount these. These new ones, I believe, mount them somewhere over here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these bags off and get these brackets off and get the new ones mounted on. All right, one side is completely done. This is how I'm running the cable. This is what it looks like over here. So it runs this way. Yo, I wanna know why Legend Suspension decided to put such a long, crazy cable. To me, it's like, it's mind blowing. This cable is way too long for these shocks. That's the one thing that drives me crazy, but maybe there's a rhyme or a reason for it. Anyways, this is how it looks so far. This is where I'm sitting it. So there's no clearance issues, and yeah, I like it. There you go, you can still see my brake lights and my turn signal, of course. All right, well, I got everything mounted up. It came out looking really good. Really happy with the look and the fitment on it. It's perfect. And from the rear, I don't know if you guys can see, it literally only covers like the top portion of the LED, which is not that big of a deal, but it sits so flush. It sits really nice. And no clearance issues. Obviously the bags close good on both sides. No clearance issues for the touring pack. Now, if you do have a touring pack, you gotta go with the brackets that I went with. Just go ahead and give MJK Performance up a call. Let them know that Michael Bertini from YouTube sent you. You'll probably end up speaking with Dale at some point and let him know that you want to go with the ones, especially if you're going to run a tour pack or a sissy bar like this, you want to go with the ones that I went with, which are the ones that sit a little bit lower. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Do me a big favor. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And then also too, I'm hoping to see you guys at the Trask Performance booth at Destination Daytona tomorrow and Sunday. So please make sure you stop by and say what's up to me. I'd love to meet you guys in person. With that being said, make sure you're putting good energy out there into the world and you're paying it forward. I'll check y'all out later. Bye now.